catch you at another time. Thinking of sweeter times with you.
Shy.
Lullabies. Locking eyes with you in a crowded room, and I'm betting on you to give me a sign. Thinking of sweeter times, young and dumb, swinging from vines. Short little clips of life, never really thought of the height. Fruit that fell, fresh and ripe, not knowing which path is right. Wish they would've told us that, like fuck all them sass. Have you ever consulted a map and looked at the facts? Cause I'm looking at trash, the greener side is a concrete jungle. Lost my childlike wonder in a hurricane that spun me, but I'm still running. As I call for aid, I'm answered with silence. Gonna dispatch my blade, bracing for violence. The clasp I made inside my consciousness, see my hand was broken when I gave up trying to barter with devils that you know are lying, not only from tongues but also in wait for you to whittle them enough to belittle your ways. Locked in a safe, hidden from hearts broken in an earthquake. Still thinking of sweeter times where the sugar in your voice sours it out. Can't help but see a bitter truth behind your eyes. Looking at me, one to open both of mine. Still swinging from vines around this hurricane in my mind. Straight from the movie, now I'm run out of time. Once knew the right path when I fished the map from a net full of darkness and wrath. Things I don't want to earth anymore, just leave them at that. Just leave them at that. Still swinging from vines, wanna get you dancing now. No regret the time, try to make my voice reflect everybody is shine. As the days go by, I'm riddled with crimes. In a heart jaw broken with rhymes of repetition. Now on the dance in the suspicion, I'm a dead man walking, just taking on a different visit. Feel like I'm on my 10th impossible mission, losing every decision made. Let me fade, dear Lord, give me the strength to know the difference between what is real and what is in my head. Thinking of sweeter times, locking eyes with you in a crowded room, betting on you to throw me signs. Might just find you in a different time. Locking eyes with you in a